guys, and welcome back to Code It Up. Today we are back with another tutorial in Scratch. As we all know, the new year is approaching and this is a new year special. So what do we do on a new year? We do the countdown, of course. So in this video, I will be telling you how to make a new year countdown in seconds. Note, this is the first part and we'll show you the mechanics. In the next part, we will polish it and finish the countdown. Let's start. First, we need our basic things, which is a when flag clicks block and a forever block. Now, make a variable called seconds. This variable will hold the seconds left for the new year. Now, make another few variables called second, minutes, hours, days, and months. These all will hold the separate values. This variable holds the seconds for the next minute, this for the next hour, this for the next day, this for the next month, and this for the remaining months. So, in the forever loop, just place set seconds. Note, put here seconds, not second. Set seconds to 0 and make a custom block called find seconds in new year. Run without screen refresh is optional, but I usually do prefer it. Right. So, first set second variable, not the seconds, second variable to drag a minus block and in the second loop drag current second and the first write 60. So remaining seconds for the next minute. And now for minutes, set minutes to 6. Note here, do not do the 60 but 59, as we do not want to include the current minute that is going on in the seconds variable. We want the spare minutes. And now to convert these minutes into seconds, multiply this loop by 60, as 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Now we need the hours. So set hours to 23. Yes, we are doing 23, not 24, to exclude the current hour going in the minutes, just like we did for the minutes, as the current minute was going on in the seconds variable. So 23 minus current hour into 3600, as it is 60 into 60. Let's just stack it. No. 60 into 60, which is a minute into an hour. 3600. You can either use this or just simply place the number there. Now we need the days. For the days, it should be a specific month. It should know which month it is. So we need to find the months. We can make a new custom block called find months in year. Run without screen refresh is optional. And make a new list called days in month. Note here all these variables, and the list for this sprite only is optional. No, sorry, this must not be done. They should be kept for all sprites. Why they should be kept for all sprites will be explained in the later video. So first, for the January month, add 31, and now for the February month, because if it is February and it's a leap year, the days are 29, else 28. So we'll use an if-else loop, and in the condition put an equals to block. Now, when is it a leap year? When the year number divided by 4 gives the remainder as 0. So that's what we will test here using the mod block. So in the first loop, put the mod block and write current year mod 4 equals 0, which would say if this is a leap year or not, which I am shooting this video in 2020, hence it's true. So just put this in there, and if it is true, add 29 to days in month, else, which means it's not true, add 28 to days in month. So I'll just quickly do this and then show it to you. There we are, it's complete. So if we just run this, yes, this is the problem. We want this to loop this forever, but we are forgetting the delete all block in the start to refresh it. And now 12 as the days in the year, as the months in the year. So set days to drag a -1 and variables item current month, which in this case is 31 as it is December going on, minus current date. So which will result in 11 as the current day is 20. Now we need to convert these days into seconds. So use an input of multiplying and multiply a first equation with 86400, as that is what it is. 60 into 60 is 1 hour and 60 into 24 is 1 day, and these are days. This is what results in 8 into 60 into 60 into 24. So let's just figure it out. 24 into 60 into 60, which is 86400. Now, like I did here, you can either place this block over here or simply write this. Next, we need the months. So start by making another custom block called months and run without screen refresh is obviously optional. And here make another variable called number or m or whatever you want to name it. For this, for all sprites is necessary, and set number to current month, as it will count from the current month, and drag a repeat until loop. Number is equal to 12. Now we want to exclude the current month which is going on in the days variable. So change number by 1. So when this starts, it just changes number by 1 and it's increasing it. And then set months to plus months plus number. Now this is still incomplete, so I'll just do this really quickly. Right, so what we need is the days in the number month. So item number days in month multiplied by 86400, as this will convert the days into seconds. So this block is done, and just place this month block over here. Now the variables are ready, and we need the seconds variable ready. So set seconds to plus, and all of these variables, days, hours, minutes, months, and second, not number of course. Days plus hours plus minutes plus second plus months. The order really doesn't matter. And let's just check, we have done them all. 5 here. Second, minutes, hours, days, months. Second, minutes, hours, days, and months. Yes, it's ready. But we need this second's length to remain the same, because if you see, 86400 is 1 day as seconds, and so there are 365 or 366 days in a year. So 366 into this is 8 digits. I'll just show it to you. Length of this is 8. So we always want our seconds variable to have the length of 8. You might not understand why we need this in this tutorial, but in the next part you will understand exactly why it is needed. So to do this, if drag a not block equals, if length of seconds, so length of seconds is not equal to 8, then repeat until length of seconds equals 8, and here use the join variable. We'll use the join operator. So set seconds to join. In the second one, put seconds with the seconds variable. Note, you should put this in this second loop only, not in the first one. That would really complicate it. In the second one, and in the first one, put a 0, right? And I believe our code is complete. So let's just run it. We'll just need to add these all blocks in the forever loop. Not months necessarily, because it is coming here in the find seconds block only. So first find months in here, then find seconds in here. Let's see. There. It's functioning as we want it to. We'll just see if all of those are moving. Yes, the seconds are moving. So are the minutes, the hours, the days. The months here is 0, as it is December going on, and there is no month after December. And the number 12, it is times 12. Here it says 12. Yes. So the seconds left in the new year are 00995460. It was some time ago. Now the seconds are changing. Yes, that is how to make a new year countdown in Scratch. Only the mechanics though, only the code. In the next tutorial, you will see how to refine it, how to make it polished, how to complete it. So, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.